Okay, in this second video I'm going to show you how to record a fixed asset. So the first way that you can record a fixed asset will be if you receive a bill from a vendor and you need to capitalise that asset at the point of entering the bill. So let's say we go to purchases, we go to bill, and let's enter one. So this comes from Computers or Us, for instance. We have our bill number, we have our bill date. I can enter my details in and I can say that we bought a computer. Obviously you'd enter more details in, but for the purposes of this, I'm just going to enter just the most basic. And then I can find my computer hardware asset. And then I can enter my rating and enter my VAT in. So I've got my bill. Obviously I can attach it should I need to, or I could have uploaded this through documents. For the purposes of this demo, I've just entered in the bare minimum. I now hit save. Now within this bill, I'm just going to submit that for approval and approve it. Okay, so this bill is now marked as open. Now we go to our accountant tab and our fixed assets. We have our asset that has already been capitalised, and we can see here that it's a draft status, but we can see that it's pulled through the purchase value, it's got the date on, it's got the value on here, then the description is what we entered, and it tells you where you've coded it to, and it is automatically taken the data that we created from saying that it's related to that computer, that original asset type we created up. It gives you an option here to enter any notes should you need to, or some tags if you want to do that as well. But if you're happy with all this data that has been entered, you can hit save as draft and mark as active. Now within here as well, you do have that bill link, so you can go immediately straight back to the bill, to source document, to see exactly how you derived that bill. Now, if you would like to just create a fixed asset because you don't have the bills that are sitting there, you can just do it manually from here. So you could type in Dara computer, for instance, and you can put in the value. And that will just complete as normal. Now, the only thing with this is you obviously won't have that link to the bill as you entered this manually, as this one here does have that really nice associated transaction to it. The next video, I will show you where the depreciation is saved and how to write off an asset.